Python code for printing numbers which are marked in red. Let's start by defining the list named I. It's made up of 5 sublists, each containing 5 consecutive integers. Now, we add the outer loop for I in range len a. This steps through each row in our grid, tracked by the variable I. Inside it, we add the inner loop for j in range len a I. This steps through each column in the current row, tracked by j. Here's the key action. Print a, I, j plus I, end equals. This prints an element from the grid, but the index is shifted by the current row number. As we go to lower rows, the printed numbers shift further along the row. The output appears on the same line, separated by spaces. Next, the try block prints a, I, j plus I plus 1, grabbing the next number to the right. If available, it prints. If not, an exception occurs. No matter what happens, the finally block breaks out of the inner loop, ensuring only one pair is printed per row. Though j plus equals 1 is present, it's bypassed due to the break. Each inner loop runs only once per row. Finally, the output. Each row prints 2 adjacent numbers. For example, 1, 2, 7, 8, and so on, showcasing the shifted indexing. This code demonstrates nested loops, dynamic indexing, and control flow in Python, revealing how each step shapes the final output.